What if eating less often could improve your energy, help you lose fat, stabilize blood sugar, and even slow aging? Intermittent fasting isn't a fad. It's a scientifically backed strategy that's been used for centuries. But most people get it wrong. This video breaks down exactly how intermittent fasting works, which methods are safest for beginners, and how to get results, without feeling starved or overwhelmed. Welcome to Simply Good Health, where real health is backed by real science. Today, a beginner's guide to intermittent fasting, simplified, practical, and evidence-based. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is not a diet, it's an eating schedule. Instead of focusing on what to eat, it focuses on when to eat. During the fasting period, the body lowers insulin, burns fat for fuel, activates cellular cleanup called autophagy. During the eating window, the body refuels, rebuilds tissue, stores energy. This natural rhythm gives the body time to heal, instead of constantly digesting food. When food is eaten, insulin rises, the hormone that tells the body to store energy. When fasting insulin drops, fat burning increases, growth hormone rises, up to 5 times, which protects muscle, and autophagy removes damaged cells. This metabolic switch usually begins around 12 hours after the last meal. Studies show fasting improves insulin sensitivity, inflammation, cognitive function, weight management, cellular repair. It's not starvation. It's controlled, intentional eating. Start simple. Choose a method that works with your current lifestyle. 12 to 12 is where you fast for 12 hours, then eat within 12 hours. This is great for complete beginners. 16 to 8 is where you fast 16 hours and eat within 8 hours. This is the most popular method. 1 meal a day, OMAD, is an advanced method where you have 1 meal in a 1 to 2 hour window. This is powerful for weight loss and insulin resistance. But this is not for beginners or those underweight. Pro tip: start with 12 to 12, then progress to 16 to 8 after 1 to 2 weeks. Intermittent fasting works best with nutrient-dense meals. Eating junk food during your window cancels out the benefits. Focus on high-quality protein, eggs, fish, chicken, legumes, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts, non-starchy vegetables, low-glycemic carbs, sweet potato, quinoa, berries. Avoid refined carbs, sugary snacks, liquid calories. These spike insulin and trigger cravings, even during the fast. Hydration matters. Drink water, herbal teas, black coffee, optional, no sweeteners. Many beginners quit IF because of simple, preventable errors. Mistake #1, eating too little, fasting, starving. Undereating leads to fatigue, muscle loss, and rebound eating. Mistake #2, overeating junk in your window. A fasting window is not a free-for-all. Quality matters. Mistake #3, not staying hydrated. Dehydration mimics hunger. Sip water throughout the day. Mistake #4, pushing too hard, too fast. Gradual adaptation prevents burnout. Fasting is a long-term lifestyle, not a crash fix. Intermittent fasting is safe for most, but not for everyone. Avoid or consult your doctor if pregnant or breastfeeding, underweight, or recovering from an eating disorder, taking insulin or diabetes medications, under 18 years old, adrenal or thyroid issues. The body needs stability before it can safely benefit from fasting. Step 1. Finish dinner earlier. Example: stop eating by 7 p.m. Don't eat until 7 a.m., 12:12. Step 2. Delay breakfast gradually. Add 30 minutes each day to extend the fast naturally. Step 3. Stay consistent. Give the body 2-3 weeks to adapt before adjusting your window. Track your sleep, energy, and mood, not just weight. Fasting is a metabolic reset, not a short-term fix. Intermittent fasting is simple, but powerful. Done right, it trains the body to burn fat, stabilize energy, and heal from within. Start where you are. Stay consistent. Focus on nourishment, not restriction. Like and subscribe for more science-backed health guides that actually work. Click the post notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And if you want to watch even more, then check out our other videos so you can live a simply healthy life.